Welcome to all. So today we are going to discuss the next type in your syllabus, that is Eidogonium. So Eidogonium is a freshwater algae. You can see it is very common in our freshwater sources like ponds and lakes and so on. And this belongs to the class Chlorophyceae and the order Eidogoniales, family Eidogoniaceae. So it belongs to the class Chlorophyceae. So it's understood that it is a green algae. Green colored pigment is present in this. So let us look upon the structure of Eidogonium. So see, this is the Eidogonial filament. You can see it is a filamentous algae. This is attached at the base by the structure called holdfast, and some may be attached or some may be free floating. And the filaments are usually longer filaments, and these filaments are having the structures like this bulged structure at the center, that is the oogonium, and these are the cells. You see, cells are all longer cells and thin, and width is very less while compared to the length. Okay. Now, when you take a single cell, what the structure of the single cell? So, this is the structure of a single cell. You can see here, there is a nucleus that is usually shifted to the periphery. So, this is the nucleus. So, I will draw by yellow color. So, this is the nucleus, and these are the chloroplast. Here the chloroplast is reticulate in shape. Okay. So, you know, cup shaped are there, stellate are there in different other algae. Here it is club shaped. And club shaped chloroplast is having pyranod at its center. That is a network. The chloroplast are network or reticulate spread completely in the cell, and it is having nucleus also. Clear? Now, this is a protoplasm and it is covered with the cell wall also. Usually there is outer wall and middle wall and inner wall. Then very important peculiar feature of the Eidogonial filaments are the presence of the cap cell. This is the cap cell. You can see a particular type of cell at the junction between the two cells, that is the cap cells. So these are formed usually during the cell division. Okay. So the number of cap cells indicate how many times the Eidogonial cell undergone cell division. So this is the typical structure of the Eidogonial cell. Clear? So once again in brief, it is a cells are longer than broad breadth and having a single nucleus and many pyrenoids scattered along the reticulate chloroplast. This is a network of system and having protoplasm and also containing cap cells. This is a typical structure of the Eidogonium cell. Okay. Now we are moving on to the cell division in Eidogonium. Okay. You can see here the sequence of the cell division in Eidogonium. The cell division in Eidogonium is very peculiar. This is very important here because this is the only algae showing this type of cell division. Clear? The cell division is a series of process in Eidogonium. How it is taking place? See, here this is the first step. That is a formation of, you know, these are the cell, single cell I have drawn here. Single cells here. This is the cell and this is the ring. First there arises a ring and this ring deepens on both sides. You can see the ring, and before that there is a single nucleus in Eidogonium. This nuclei undergo division by mitotic division and form two nuclei. The two nuclei are formed. Okay. Now this ring formed on the septal regions deepens and it move inward like this, and the next step the ring is formed like this in both sides, and that time what happens, the wall in this region will dissolve. You can see the wall dissolves. At the same time a septa formed between the two nuclei, and this nuclei along with the septum move upward to reach the junction of the this ring like structure. So septa and the nucleus moved up to the ring like structure. Now what happens is, this will come closer to this region. This will move closer to this region and it will join like this. So this structure is here and that act as the cap and two daughter cells are formed. Clear? So first a ring appears, the ring deepens on both sides. At the same time the nucleus divides into two. In between nuclei a septa is formed. Then this wall dissolves and it deepens towards inwards and more inward, and the septa along with the nuclei move upward. Then this will join and it produces a new cell. This is the case of cell division in Eidogonium. This is very important and this is the peculiar feature of Eidogonium only. You cannot see this type of cell division in any other forms of algae. This is only present in Eidogonium. I hope you understood the process of cell division. Just remember like this, a ring that will deepens inside, same time nucleus divides, septa formed, septa along with the nucleus move upwards, join the ring, the wall dissolves, it deepens and it form a septa separates into two cells. And ring is formed at the apex, that ring act like the cap cells. Clear? So this is about the cell division in Eidogonium. So I hope the first half, structure and cell division in Eidogonium, this is very, very important. I hope you understood well. Thank you.